Sanibona bafethu, ngifuna ukukhuluma ngale game. Orlando Pirates besides amagesi 2-0 bafethu. What a good win. We could have scored many goals. But ke akwenzakalanga. Siqale nge-approach coach. No, okay, a back forward. It didn't change anything ngondaba ubuyile Makhawula and Bata. Ushintshile phambili wafaka uMufokeng Apolis and Mbuthuma Nomoremi. Okay, so i-game was very fast. I-Pirates meant business. Ukuqala kwe-game, Apolis scored a chance and then sanga-converter. You saw i-attitude ama-players ukuthi they want to win the game and ngamagoli amaningi. You could have seen ukuthi if uCM delay ibhola emuva uChain was like yeba baphakamisa ibhola lihambe fast. Basically yena beno space they are supposed to play i-1-2. Lenti iyasilelela ukuba ne rest defense because the more ibhola liphethe uCM anything can happen and then uyi-last man. So ibhola beliphethe one ama-midfielders behlela ngama-department. Uyi-defender uya-defender, a midfielder must pass the ball. Ngcono vele lihlele kuMakhawula benombatha okunokuthi lihlale ku-space. 2 we abafethu uMbatha, I think uMbatha njengamanje currently is the best number 8 we have in South Africa, if not Africa. Bafowethu i-understand i-role yokuba number 8 masidlala uyavela and une-ability ukuthi afese uChain but akwazi ukwenza i-10 efese i-opponent adrive adlule bafowethu and final pass is doing well. I was very impressed ngoCash if indlela bekade enza ngakhona ama-run eboxing. uCash uberana kakhulukazi kuma-spaces of which okay amanye ama-run azangaphumelela okay. So I was very happy nge-midfield yethu. Now masidlala ngomfokeng ke bafowethu siba dangerous. Lento engangikhuluma ukuthi uTito must understand this role. Wenza sure ukuthi uba ngemuva kwa-number 6 opponent but ngaphambili kwama-center back. This means ukuthi one center back must focus on him ukuthi mangabe ethola ibhola kumele ampress. Mangabe impressa is either uApolis uzokwenza i-run that side or uMbuthuma will be free. Yenzakalile but sebesafocus urele enze run phambili uMbuthuma ehexa goal. So that's how you want to score. So i-Pirates information yakhona idlala nga 2-2-2-2. Basically idlala nge-4-4-2 whereas we'll have Apolis and the Moremi cutting in ukwenza i4 and then sibe ne front 2 phambili. Now sino CM sino Space emuva, sibe no Makhawula benombatha phambili, sibe no Mphukenge no Apolis, sibe no Moremi no Mbuthuma. Why Umoremi ngimenza striker? Because Umoremi is not a winger. Put him on the wings uzobona ukuthi ubani, uzo-expose. What coach into ayenzayo umenza a-center forward. But now mangabe siphethe ibhola uwenza ama-run ukuthi abantu bafocus again while uFan Roy ne-mover on the right or uSibelebele. How many times uSibelebele thola ama-chances? Okay, and then on the left uMbatha uNdaba was very good. We are understanding ukuthi he doesn't want to play as a hoto. uMbatha usinikeza i-calmness, usinikeza i-stability emuva, une-ability ke manje ukuthi attack in either ku-midfield so that abo-Cash bezomove forward. So I really like how he understand the role. Mbuthuma is supposed to score many goals, boys. Now you wake up, you have a chance. So keep it alive. Now, if best no more Moremi osegemini izolo, we could have scored amagoli amaningi. Because inside la left besebenza but lakhe wethanda ukusileya. That is why ngike ngathande abe on the right, because if ka right uya kumele capitalize and stuff. Now omunye umdlali engifuna ukucomplaina ngaye kakhulukazi it's uSibelebele. Boy, fix your decision making as a wing back. Uma ufika eboxing, boy, keep 6 yard. Do not shoot laphana uzokora kanjani, keep 6 yard. That's a basic. And then ucoach into yenza second half uyabona ukuthi game siyadliwa. Yes, iscore siyawina but igame siyadliwa. We now have Mfokeng osekhathala because mela 10 aqale eliminate. And then what it does, he brings in uTito, he brings in uTijong. Oh, uyabona ukuthi we lack energy going forward. Now uTito uzosinikeza energy while inverter on the right elekelela inamba ngaphakathi but futhi usinikeze energy nama 1-2 and then uJong vele wasibonile we saw. So I was very happy ngokuqala game up until iziyophela. We could have scored ama-goal amaningi but it's okay, we're gonna take the win. Now ke asibona ne bafowethu emabhida Tuesday, we're gonna be there bafowethu. Ningakhohlwa bo amabhutsu bafowethu akhona lapha, ama-jersey la ukhona ngizokufakela xa wena. So azisheke bafowethu, thank all.